Title: Tips and Ideas for Landscaping Your Outdoor Areas. Welcome to our guide on transforming your outdoor space into a beautiful, functional landscape. Whether you have a small backyard or a large garden, these tips and ideas will help you create a stunning outdoor area that you can enjoy all year round. 1. Start with a plan. Before you begin, it's important to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Take time to assess your outdoor space. Consider how you plan to use the area, whether it's for entertaining, gardening, or relaxation. Sketch out a rough plan, noting where you want pathways, plants, seating areas, and other features. A well-thought-out plan will save you time and effort in the long run. 2. Choose the right plants. Selecting the right plants is crucial for a successful landscape. Consider your local climate, soil type, and the amount of sunlight your garden receives. Opt for native plants, as they are well suited to your environment and require less maintenance. Mix a variety of plants, including perennials, shrubs, and trees, to add texture and color throughout the year. Don't forget to include some flowering plants to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. 3. Create defined spaces. Just like indoors, your outdoor area can benefit from defined spaces for different activities. Use hedges, shrubs, or garden screens to create separate zones, such as a dining area, a play space for kids, or a quiet corner for reading. Adding different levels, like raised garden beds or terrace patios, can also help define areas and add visual interest. 4. Add pathways and walkways. Pathways are essential for guiding movement through your garden and connecting different areas. Use materials like stone, gravel, or pavers to create durable, attractive walkways. Consider the shape and direction of your paths. They can be straight for a formal look or winding for a more natural feel. Don't forget to add lighting along the paths for safety and ambience during the evening. 5. Incorporate water features. Water features can bring a sense of tranquility to your outdoor space. A small pond, a bubbling fountain, or even a simple bird bath can add a calming element and attract wildlife to your garden. Choose a water feature that complements the size of your space. Larger areas might accommodate a pond or waterfall, while smaller gardens can benefit from a compact fountain. 6. Use hardscaping wisely. Hardscaping refers to the use of non-plant elements like stones, bricks, and wood in your landscape. Patios, decks, retaining walls, and pergolas are all examples of hardscaping. These features provide structure and functionality to your outdoor area. For example, a stone patio can serve as an outdoor dining space, while a pergola can offer shade and support climbing plants. 7. Pay attention to scale and proportion. When choosing plants and structures, consider the scale and proportion relative to your space. Large trees or oversized structures can overwhelm a small yard, while tiny plants may get lost in a larger area. Aim for a balanced look by varying the heights and sizes of plants and features. Grouping plants in odd numbers, like 3s or 5s, often creates a more natural, pleasing arrangement. 8. Include seasonal interest. To keep your garden looking attractive year-round, choose plants that offer interest in different seasons. Evergreen shrubs provide structure in winter. Spring bulbs add early color. Summer flowers create vibrant displays, and fall foliage brings warm tones. By planning for all seasons, you'll ensure that your outdoor space remains inviting no matter the time of year. 9. Maximize outdoor living. Consider how you can extend your indoor living space into the outdoors. A well-designed patio or deck can become an extension of your home, perfect for dining, entertaining, or simply relaxing. Add comfortable outdoor furniture, shade structures like umbrellas or awnings, and weather-resistant cushions to create a cozy, functional outdoor living area. 10. Don't forget the details. The finishing touches can make a big difference in your landscape. Add decorative elements like garden art, lanterns, or wind chimes to personalize your space. Use mulch or ground cover to keep weeds at bay and retain moisture in garden beds. Finally, maintain your garden by regularly watering, pruning, and fertilizing to keep everything looking its best. By following these tips and ideas, you can create a beautiful, functional outdoor space that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. Remember, landscaping is an ongoing process, so take your time and enjoy the journey of transforming your outdoor area into a place of beauty and relaxation. Happy landscaping!